Setting up recurring invoices in Shopify can streamline your billing process and improve cash flow for your business. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Access your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the admin dashboard. This is where you will manage all aspects of your store, including invoicing settings. Step 2. Install a recurring invoice app. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for a recurring invoice app that suits your needs. Popular options include recurring orders or bulk subscriptions. Install the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Configure app settings. Once the app is installed, go to the app settings. Here, you can customize your invoice templates, set billing intervals weekly, monthly, etc., and choose payment methods that will be accepted for recurring charges. Step 4. Create a recurring invoice. In the app, select the option to create a new recurring invoice. Fill in the necessary details such as customer information, product or service details, pricing, and the frequency of billing. Save the invoice once you have completed all fields. Step 5. Test your recurring invoice. Before fully implementing your recurring invoices, run a test to ensure everything works as expected. Check that the invoice is sent to the customer and that payments are processed correctly. Make any adjustments if needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up recurring invoices in Shopify, making your billing process easier and more reliable.